How to trim video in CapCut PC. First of all, import the video that you would like to trim and drag it to the timeline. You can see over here I've already done it. If you want to trim the start or end, for that what you have to do is click on that video. Now go to the start. You can see over here the arrow cursor will be changed. What you have to do is click at the start of the video. Now drag it inwards. Now the length of the video will be trimmed. You can follow the same process for the end of the video too. If you want to cut and remove the middle, what you have to do is move the vertical timeline playhead line to the exact point where you want to start cutting. Simply click on the vertical timeline playhead line. Place it where you want to cut the video. Once you do that, click on this icon that you can see on the screen. Or you can also press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Likewise, simply place the playhead line to another point. Click on this icon. Now click on the area that you would like to remove. Press backspace on your keyboard, or you can also press delete. Now you can see over here that portion of the video will be removed. Like this, you can trim video in CapCut PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.